As a transfer student, I'm looking forward to pursuing my education. So I'm looking forward to spreading it and making new friends, new peers. So this will be a new journey.
For this BOSS event, I was putting together a presentation that talked about black community, but focusing on black unity specifically. But part of it is I wanted to shape the presentation to highlight how DH has, the most black students in the CSU, the most black faculty and staff in the CSU, and how that's our secret sauce and our secret superpower as an institution, because you're not going to get loved on and poured into as you would at any other institution, as you would at DH.
You are in the space right here. Welcome to the BRC. This is our space to lounge, chill, be free, explore, engage in opportunities. Programs we have is all centered around the importance of black fellowship and kinship. So everything that we do is surrounded in that area, and so this is one of the resources that our students take advantage of here on our campus at DH.